Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with an evening webcast. This is going to be part of our content offering. Sometimes in the free content section, and then we're going to do some deeper stuff at night that's going to be behind the paywall and available as a variety of packages and available to our chat room subscribers, of course. So without much more ado, let's dive right in. 5-minute chart. Get a chance at night to, and I'm going to try to keep these webcasts pretty short, but it's a chance to look at different time frames. You can see our day was still pretty much a consolidation, right? Here's your opening print at 68.44 quarter. We opened, they ran it up. They couldn't convert our upper level in the 58 area. They brought it in, and this, we printed 18 down here, and it looked pretty nice. They actually, converted our lower level. Then they ground it back, and this is where typically you'll see the bears run into problems. You had potentially, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 minutes going on 50 minutes of potential resistance that they couldn't hold. And once they did, they had the lift, but we talked about this a little bit this morning. There's just not a lot of commitment in the tape right now. So they make a lower high, they come back down, make a higher low. Well, at this point, you're in what we call a triangle, which is a series of lower highs and higher lows. Tends to be a consolidation pattern, and that's really where the rest of the day played out. They had another look at 53.5 here, like they did here, 53 quarter, 53.5. That 53 area really held it in, but there was no conversion to the downside, and then we get to 4 o'clock and we just kind of drift away. So you look out on the daily chart, and it's just another day of hanging out above 9-day, 20-day, 50-day, monthly pivot, weekly pivot, basically everything. And I meant what I said this morning, in that the longer this happens, the longer this goes on as a support situation above all this stuff, the more likely that this little zone, this little box that we're developing, is going to eventually bleed up to the upside. Although that clearly was not on offer for today. Hourly chart, and you can see, throw this out. This is Happy Thanksgiving right here. But Monday, Tuesday, a consolidation, fairly tight bands on an hourly basis, pretty much bisecting the hourly mid-band, the 20-period moving average for the vast majority of the entirety of the session, both regular session and Globex, and pretty much the same story as yesterday. You had a little bit of a run-up, you had some give back, and then, kind of neutral for the remainder of the day. So, the S&P, it tends to get habitual. I'll be curious to see if we're able to snap out of this anytime soon. There's not a ton of data points. You've got some geopolitical stuff going on. It looks like we're not going to get jobs on Friday. So that would be one data point that could kind of shake us back into a little bit of volatility that, we're not going to get. Bottom line, as we head into Globex tonight and into tomorrow, is in this type of tape, it's critical not to overtrade it. It invites you to overtrade. It's a series of false breakouts, a series of false breakdowns, which, in reality is really what that triangle situation is. But, ultimately, you can scalp it, you can do some small stuff. We didn't have a banner day. We hit our numbers, but it's certainly nothing like November. But that's not really the litmus test, right? That can't be the benchmark for what we're talking about in December. The tape needs to breathe a bit. It has, it makes a lot of sense for it to breathe. If you look at it, the daily chart, big run up, big run back up, and now we hang out. Pretty typical. But you have to take this for what it is, which is the tape is taking a breather post-holiday with not a lot of going on in the environment. Don't overtrade it. Don't end up burning a lot of commission, because you'll tire yourself out. And when you're just about ready to throw in the towel, this little rectangle that we're developing here is going to make a decision to the upside or the downside. All right, everybody have a great night. I'm back in the morning with our regular content. I hope you enjoyed this. You're going to get more of these. Take care. Trade them well. See you in the morning.